morning everyone. Welcome to our e-classes. Today we are going to read our first lesson of Unit 1, the Magic Garden of 3rd class. First of all, we will read our lesson with correct pronunciation and while taking care of punctuation as well. The punctuation tells the reader where to pause, breathe, raise his voice, change his voice, etc. They are not to be ignored. Now, let us read our lesson first. The Magic Garden. First of all, tell me, what is a garden? Your mother, father, or might be you must have grown some plants, flowers, vegetables in the backyard or in the front side of your house. That piece of land is called a garden. First of all, garden is a piece of land where we grow flowers, vegetables and fruits. But how this garden is magical? In which sense? How is it different from our garden? Let us read it. The magic garden was in a school playground. It was very pretty. Sunflowers and roses stood high against the wall. There were also marigolds, poppies and pansies. You can notice, students, while I am reading, I am giving a slight pause wherever there is a full stop and a few seconds pause after comma. That are necessary part of our reading. In the first paragraph, it has been told that the magic garden was in a school playground and it was very beautiful. Pretty means beautiful. The garden was very beautiful. There were many flowers such as sunflowers, roses, marigolds, poppies and pansies. You might have not seen poppies and pansies. It is given in your picture. The red color flower other than roses are poppies and blue and yellow flower in your textbook are pansies. You can look at the picture in your textbook. Now come to the next paragraph. The sunshine fell on this garden more than on any other and the flowers danced and sang happily. They said to one another, "We have hundreds of little gardeners." They were the children from the school. Now, this garden is different in many ways. Most of the sunshine fell on this garden and the flowers sing songs happily, very cheerfully. They talk to one another as well. They said that they have little of 100 gardeners. To whom they are referring? They are referring to the school children who always help them. How do they help them? Let us see. One sunny morning, the flowers were talking to the birds. "I love all the children, but I love the dear little ones most of all," said a poppy. "I like them to bring their watering cans and water my thirsty roots." What does thirsty means? Thirsty. You must have read a story on thirsty crow. Thirsty means wanting or needing to drink something. Wanting or needing a drink. The little poppy, the flower, said that he loves the children. Why does he love the children? Because they bring water cans and water their thirsty roots. "Yes," said the marigolds, "the boys are good to us too. They dig the ground so well." "We love the little children," said a tiny bird. "They are kind and they bring bread for us." Now, thus a marigold said that they love the children too. They are so good to them. Why they are good to them? they dig wells, they make holes in ground for them. Why do birds love them? Birds love the children because they bring bread for them, food for them. All the flowers said, we must work hard to make our dresses very pretty, for the children will be here soon. The sun said, I will help you also, for nothing pleases me better than to see the children running about in the garden in the golden sunshine. All the flowers promise that they will dress themselves very well for the children, so that whenever the children come near them, they will be shining happily. The sun said that he will help them. He feels very happy whenever the children run in the garden in his golden sunshine. Suddenly, the children came out laughing and singing, and the flowers stopped their songs to listen to them. As you run in lunchtime or after school hours, the children also came out laughing and singing, and all the flowers stopped talking to themselves so that they could listen the children what they are saying. Oh, look at the tall sunflower, said one child, and the sunflower lifted its head very proudly. Another child said, I love the marigold in its golden dress. The marigold smiled happily. All the children praised the flowers, their dresses. Now we will learn how this garden is known as magic garden. We are on the last page of our lesson. It was indeed a magic garden because it had fairies too. You must have seen fairies in stories like Cinderella and many more. In the lesson, they danced and sang sweet songs which only the children could hear. Fairies used to sing songs, and who can listen to them? Only children could hear them. After a time, the fairies came out, dancing and talked with the children. Their dresses were made of flowers and their wings of sunshine. The magic garden was quiet that night. The flowers and birds were asleep and dreaming of the next day when the children would come again. In the last paragraph, we came to know that in this garden there are many fairies too. The fairies love to sing for children, and only children could listen their songs. At night, all the flowers stop talking and fall asleep, dreaming of the next beautiful day. This was our lesson. Now, let us learn word meanings of our new words. First of all, garden. Garden is a piece of land where flowers, vegetables, and fruits are grown. Pretty. Pretty means beautiful. Thirsty, wanting or needing a drink. Gardeners. There were many little gardeners. Gardener is the person who takes care of our garden. Next is playground. Playground is a ground where children play. Dreaming. Dreaming are the thoughts or images that come in mind when you are in sleep. What does magic means? Magic means trick that seem to be impossible. These are the new words that have come in your lesson. Now, let us construct some simple sentences on these new words like garden. There is a beautiful garden in my school. Pretty. My sister is very pretty. Thirsty. The girl is watering the thirsty plants. Gardener. The gardener takes care of flowers. Playground. Children are playing in the playground. Magic. Arun performed magic in the class. Tiny means small. I saw a tiny dog, yani a small dog in the park. I saw a tiny dog in the park. Now, let us discuss some NCERT questions. Why did the flowers love the little children? The flowers loved the little children because the little children used to take care of them. They used to water their thirsty roots and dig the ground well. Why did the birds love the children? The birds loved the children because the children used to bring bread for them. Name 5 flowers growing in the magic garden. The 5 flowers are sunflowers, marigolds, pansies, poppies and roses. What sounds could the children hear in the garden? The sounds the children could hear are of the fairies sing songs in the garden. Now, let us learn some opposite words, antonyms of the words that we read in our lesson. First word is high. Opposite of high is low. Love. Flowers love the children. Opposite of love is hate. Asleep. Antonym of asleep is awake. Day. Antonym of day is night. Little. Antonym of little of little is big. Tiny. Opposite of tiny is huge. These are the things that we learned from our lesson. Thank you everyone.